Hello, greetings and welcome. Thank you for tuning in, and it's great to have you with us. Herwig Grabner from Ledermax is my guest today, and he has kindly agreed to give you the opportunity to ask your questions directly to him. A week or two before his visit, I promised that I would ask him those questions. And we really address every question. If the same question was asked multiple times, it will be covered in a video, but we structure the questions so that there is also a separate video for each individual question, allowing it to function as a lexicon, so you can search for it directly on YouTube. In this video, there was now a question from Flappy on Instagram. Are various brushes, from ultra soft to horsehair to synthetic, suitable for leather cleaning? What does the expert say about this?
So the clear answer is no, not everything is suitable. Okay, for example, it doesn't matter whether it's a bristle brush or not, it always depends on how soft the brushes are. In 2021, there are also providers who claim that only natural hair is good. There are other providers of leather cleaning brushes who say that only synthetic is acceptable.
Let's talk about brushes.
Exactly, only synthetic is good. I say a brush is not good at all. What you can definitely do is use this super soft brush. It's really a little brush that feels wonderful against the skin.
The makeup brushes, so to speak. That's where they come from, the cosmetic brushes.
Many also say that the tailor brushes are suitable for this or something like that.
Interior brushes.
Interior brushes and so on. With this, you cannot damage the leather, and you could also use it for cleaning, for example. In places where you can't reach with a sponge and so on, you can definitely use something like this. The cleaning effect with the brush is now almost zero because, as I said, just try brushing over your cheek and you will notice that, well, I would say it feels pleasant, but it really amounts to nothing.
That was my gut feeling, or that would have been my answer. It was like this. One is soft enough, it doesn't cause any damage, but the cleaning effect is just not comparable.
It is better to work with a little bit of mechanical action than to not be able to do anything at all.
But basically, you are just spreading the cleaner. You don't do much more.
Exactly. You foam it up a bit, and yes, we still clearly recommend cleaning sponges, as they have the advantage that you can apply pressure as needed. You actually can't damage the leather. Here, it is really the case that this sponge is specifically designed this way, even in production, when you look at it under a magnifying glass or microscope. I will show you some pictures. Everything is completely round. Foam, or bubbles or foam bubbles inside. There are no sharp edges or anything like that, and they are really explicitly perfect for cleaning. Yes, okay. Another advantage of a sponge, which we have also explained in previous videos. When I clean here, the dirt is directly absorbed into the sponge, and you can't wash the dirt out again. Afterwards, when you rinse it underwater with a brush or even with a scrubber, you are actually just spreading the dirt around.
When he is released, he is then distributed and pushed around further.
A brief summary would be that these super soft brushes are suitable. They do not damage the leather. You can definitely clean with them. You can also apply, for example, we also apply conditioner with this brush. I would not use this brush, for instance.
So these typical black hooks? Yes, exactly.
Definitely too coarse. I wouldn't use that.
There are also these synthetic white ones. I don't know if you know them, for example, from work staff. Soft. They are soft, but not as soft as those.
You say so. I can't say anything about it because I don't know the brush right now. It's not as soft as that one. Then I wouldn't do it. Well, just take the sponges, and where you can't reach, you can use this brush, or if you prefer, also with the brush.
This is what I always find exciting about these questions. Is the brush gone? Is the brush? Just use these sponges. They really don't cost much. I think the large one costs about $2. The small one costs $1. That won't break any one of you. They are laid out and are reusable.
But absolutely. So if you wash it out properly, I can use it 500 times again. So I will see when you hold the sponge in your hands. This is super high quality. Yes, the sponges do not fall apart after 1 or 2 uses. You can use them 500 times or more.
And please know, this is not wax applicator material, and it is also not polishing pad material. You cannot use these. This is a special material. And to be honest, such a brush will cost you at least 5 to 6 euros, unless you order it from Wish or Alibaba, but normally they also cost around 5 to 15 euros. Those are even more expensive.
So I think we have them in the shop for $10 or $12, but we have them for $2. With the 250 ml set, it is included for free.
Okay, there you see what $2 or $1 is. So you don't even have to think about the price. 2001, trust us, these are the best leather cleaning materials available. I hope we were able to answer your question, dear Flapkey, and we will address the next question in the next video. Herwig, thank you very much.
As I said, keep your ears up. Stay healthy. Ciao.